Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This is my very first video and in this we will be seeing what you will be going through in your life 6 months from now. So I have placed the 3 piles over here and on the top of that I have kept this 3 pretty ladies out of which you have to choose one of them and so I am telling you which one is pile 1. So this one is pile 1, you can see over here. This one is pile 2, the second one. This one is pile 3. So I'm pretty sure that by now you must have already chosen your pile. I'm leaving it for a few seconds so that you can concentrate and decide which one is for you. Remember, this reading is for 6 months from now. What is there in store for you? So just concentrate and try to figure out which one suits you.
Hello pile 1, how are you people? I hope you all are doing well, and the ones those who are like, oh my god, I'm not doing well, then get out, do some meditation, take a walk, have fun. You know, the problem with this pile is that you people are workaholics, and when you are not working or when you are not doing good in your work or something is not right in your career, you people lose your mind, you see. And that is the problem. So whenever you're feeling like your energy is low, just meditate. I am very sure that you people are going to be fine after that. And let me arrange your cards after complaining about you people. So the cards are very colorful, and when the cards are colorful, you have to know that life is going to be fine. You know, when you see so many colors in your particular pile, you have to know that it's going to be all rainbows. You're going to be having fun 6 months from now, and that's a good news. So I'm getting 3-4 messages. I will be talking about each one by one. Let's get all serious. See, I'm laughing because the energy of this particular pile is very genuine and very happy and nice. It's enjoying type of energy. You people are having fun. 6 months from now, something is happening that you people are having fun. And as I say this, I notice a card which tells me that some of you, out of the people who are watching this particular video, some of you are going to change your place. Whatever place you are living, you will be deciding that you have to shift from that particular place, and you will be shifting to certain place which will be of your what we say, which will be of your liking. You know, that some place you have always wanted to be and there, and you will be shifting to that particular place. And some of you, if you are like that, no, how can I shift a place? This is impossible. Then just know that 4 to 5 months later, you will get certain changes around you that you will finally decide that, okay, fine, I have to shift. But I do think so that people who are wanting to shift, you do have plans. Apart from that, the people, those who are not willing to shift, those who want to stay wherever they are, you people are going on a trip. Now this can be a short trip, this can be a long trip, I don't know what kind of trip, but whatever this trip is, it's going to be beautiful. You're going to some beautiful location. And most of you in this pile are nature lovers. Most of the human beings are, of course, but you know, I'm getting that empath vibe over here. So empaths are very much in peace with nature. So what is happening is, I will tell you in form of a story, is that right from this particular moment to 4 to 5 months from now, you people will be very busy working. You are shifting all the things aside, and you will be focusing on one particular project, whatever it is. If you want to be a beautician, you want to be a musician, whatever you have your mind on. If you are doing some assignment, you have some exam, you will be doing that particular thing, you will be working on that thing, and you will be giving every ounce of energy to that particular thing. And it will not be like that you are having headache from that particular thing. No, it will be nothing like that. You will be enjoying whatever you are doing. You are finally going to be in tune with the energy of whatever work you are following. And 4 to 5 months later, you will be like slightly exhausted. And you know, when we have worked a lot and we have this thing in mind, okay, I deserve this particular trip, I need to shift, I need to go to some other location, I need to get back my energy, I need to regenerate. And that is what you will be doing. So 4 to 5 months later, you have this journal, you have this planning, okay, this list is here, I have always wanted to be at this particular place. And then you will be like, okay, get my tickets done, COVID situation has also become better, and now I can move. And you will be going to that particular place. When I am saying this particular thing, an image is coming in my mind, and that image is about you taking a walk in a particular garden. Now this garden is really beautiful. This can be a garden, this can be some place which is a forest area. You know, there is natural scenic beauty around you, where you are noticing these what we say, angel signs, butterflies, flowers, feathers, beautiful birds, you know, as if you are vibing with that particular energy. And you will be enjoying that trip way too much. It's like it's a written trip that it has to happen. So I think so I have talked about this particular trip for a long now. Just know that wherever you are shifting, wherever you are going, it's going to a good place. Whatever it is, it will give you enjoyment, it will give you the peace you want after all that work. Now the second message which I am getting is that a wish you have made in the start of this particular year, which is 2021. Now that wish is something not which you are consciously making a reality. No, this is something which you had in heart. You sat there in front of an altar and you said that your prayers, that okay, fine, whatever God you believe in, that I want this particular thing, and please God, give me this particular thing. And you just forgot that you wish for it. That particular wish is becoming reality 6 months from now. Now this wish can be very small, this can be a big wish for some of you, and this particular wish is going to get fulfilled. And for most of you, I think so, this wish can be about healing. You have been wishing some kind of healing in your life, in particular area in your life, and that healing can be in any form. Like if you are even wishing for money, you have not been good in finances, if healing is coming in form of money, that is also a kind of healing. If you have had a heartbreak and you have been wanting that you get rid of that particular energy, and wish can be granted in form of any kind of healing. It can also be a healing in form of that particular trip you are taking, that you have lost all the energy and you're going for a trip, or you have always had this plan that you wanted to go to that particular place, and now that particular wish is getting fulfilled. It is very innocent wish, you know, it is coming true. Okay, so now the third message which I am getting is that abundance. So this is the very important message of the spiral, or just say that the center of the spiral. Like if you have to know that what is coming true 6 months from now, it is going to be abundance. And when I say abundance, I don't mean it in any other field of your life, but I mean it in terms of your finance. You know, when I am looking at this pile, I am feeling that people in this particular pile have this feeling inside at present that they are capable of something, that they can do something, and you have finally started having this kind of faith in yourself after long, and this faith is going to grow day by day in 4 to 5 months, when you are going to learn that how capable you are. You already know deep inside that you deserve good things, but that faith, that is somewhere not very strong. It will come with time, it will become strong with time. So this 4-5 months you will be focusing totally on yourself, on your finances, and you will be trying to become the best version of yourself. It's not like that you will become best version in this particular year only, but whatever you can do for yourself in this particular year, you will be focusing on that. You will be focusing on your finances. Most of you are focusing on your finances, and I am seeing that this particular thing which you are focusing on, that is becoming grounded in 6 months. I have few cards. From all the cards I have taken out, I am telling you, majority cards are about abundance. It is about money. You will be finally reaching a place in your life where you have to not think about affording something, your basic needs. You will be like, okay, finally I have a foundation, I am stable, and that is going to make you really happy inside, outside. You have this card that you will not have to worry about money, and I am telling you, that is one of the biggest blessing one can have in their life, and that is becoming a reality. Now this reality is coming into existence in such a way that when you will reach, some of you in this pile, when you will reach that particular reality, you will be thinking like that I had very small dreams. Like you made a journal that I have to earn this much. You will be surpassing that particular limit after certain time, after certain period, so easily that you will be like, oh my god, I need to wish more. We humans have this particular mentality. We wish for $5,000 for now. A year later we will wish for $10,000 for a month, and then more and more and more. I'm just talking about basic needs. I don't know what is your list of what you want to earn, or what should be the basic a salary or whatever. Just I'm giving an example that if you have certain wish that I want to earn this, you will be surpassing that, and then you will again have a wish that okay, I now need that much. That is how our mind works, right? Until we have reached a particular point, after that we start wishing for more. But when you are reaching at that point, there is going to be a drastic change in coming in all of you. When I say drastic change, what I mean is that you people are not going to be materialistic. You are not going to ask for luxurious life. Deep inside, you all already know that you can live a satisfied life, a peaceful life, just with not very much of salary. Like you will be okay. You will be okay with all the living means you have. Deep inside, you know that you don't want all the luxuries in life like superstars and all. I'm telling you, you have that capability to even have that kind of luxury. The people in this pile, you are being so much supported by the universe that you also have that capability that you earn a lot. You have to just ask for it. But you yourself will decide that okay, fine, I'm earning this much and I'm okay with it. And slowly, if I get more from the universe, it's fine, but I'm okay with what I have right now. That kind of satisfaction is coming in you, and that is really beautiful. Earning a lot and then desiring more, it's not going to lead you anywhere. And these are things which you will learn very late in your life. Now most of you will tell me that money is why will somebody not want to earn money? You will not want to earn money. No, it's nothing like you will not want to earn money. You will not want to have more. You will be satisfied at the place where you are. After that, what you decide, it's up to you. But I am seeing most of you will decide that, okay, fine, I'm satisfied. Now it can go as it has to. If God wants to give me more, it's okay. If He doesn't want, it's okay. I'm fine. You will have that gratitude inside. Since this pile is getting a lot blessed, 6 months from now, I am telling you, you need to have gratitude. When you have all that thing, that gratitude will genuinely come out from you. You will have it deep inside. But you should develop a practice from now onwards only. I am seeing that you are okay right now at present. So from now onwards, whatever you have, you start being very grateful for it. The more the gratitude, the greater are your blessings. You must know this. Like you are getting a particular thing, say thank you 3 to 4 times, Feel happy about it. Even if you are having a chocolate today, just be happy about it. That, oh my God, you got to eat. Some people are not even getting to eat. So you should have that kind of gratitude in your heart, because very big blessings are coming from you. 6 to 7 months from now, very big blessings, and that is financially. And when you are at that place, just be thankful about it, because this pile, you people are going to earn it after very long time. It's nothing like you are going to get it out of nowhere, or it's just a blessing like a click of finger or something like that. No, you people have suffered a lot, and you are going to get that particular blessing after a long time. So you have to be really thankful about it. That will genuinely come out from your heart. I don't have to tell you, but just be thankful about that. So you will have abundance, you will be having gratitude, and you will be not wishing for materialistic and luxurious life. You will be okay at the place you are. Some of you will be taking trip, and apart from this, I am seeing another message for this pile is that you will have a decision to make, and this is also in relation to your finances. And basically career is clouding this entire particular pile. So this is related to your career, and this decision is very important decision. Maybe you will be wanting to become something else, like if you are doing a certain business and you are successful in that, you know that you have established a firm foundation, you might suddenly decide that, okay, I now want to do this particular thing as well. So you will have to take a pause. You will have to decide that if you want to take that another project as well, or you have to take this particular thing only and take it forward. So it is one of the important decision, and this particular break, this particular trip, even if you're not going out, you may be resting back at home, and you may be hanging out with your friends, and that will give you that insight that how you have to take your life further, because you will have already established something sustainable for you, substantial for you in this particular 3D dream. And apart from career, there is also a love message coming for you people. I am saying that 6 months from now, some of you in this pile, you have certain person in your mind. Maybe you are not focusing on them at present. There is some issue and you people are not together. But deep inside, you know that you have feelings for them, and you have not somewhere given up on them. It's more likely a surrender situation going on, and you're like, okay, fine, if that person finds way back to me, it's good. If that person doesn't find way back to me, it's also good. I will find someone else. But this connection is in some way important for you. I don't know how, because I'm getting the divine counterpart cards for this particular pile. So this person, whosoever this person is, you're not in connection with them, you are in separation with them, and I am seeing that you are financially independent, you are happy in your life, but you don't have either time for this love, or you both are in separation due to certain reason, and I'm getting the word option. Maybe you are not the priority for that person at present. Maybe they are not the priority for you at present. Or maybe there is a third party connection, or maybe they are working at some place very far from where you are. Whatever it is, you are trying to console yourself that okay, fine, if he or she is not here, I'm okay. That kind of feeling is there in your heart. And it's not like you're very sad or something. No, you're fine. But I'm getting this energy that you are consoling yourself. Okay, fine, I have everything now. I have found some ground in this reality. I have something sustainable over here. I have something good over here. But deep inside you are like, love is not there. Your lover is not there. Self-love is there, but the lover is not there. And some of you might also get into that mental chatter between heart and this brain that that person doesn't love me, that person has other options, etc. So you are being just told that quiet your mind, because maybe you are just thinking negatively. You are just thinking negatively because I'm getting a message that things are not as they appear. So take this kind of message for now also. I don't know if you are together at present or not, but it may seem to you that this particular relationship is not going somewhere. It is not happening. You have lost them, they have lost you, you will find someone else. But I do feel that no, it's nothing like this relationship has ended or something. I do feel that something is going in the divine realms right now. Something is working out in favor of both of you, and you both will in some way connect again. You have to do only one thing, is that you have to stay positive. You have to stay positive. You have to pray that whatever happens for the highest good. And you have to, even if you want that this person should be with you, you have to think like that. You have to have positive affirmations. You have to do that okay, fine, we will be together, we are together, and we are happy together. Use certain positive affirmations and see that miracles will happen for you. Things will turn around in such a way that you will be not expecting it. Like when you least expect it, it will be at your door. So don't get disheartened about that particular thing. I don't think so you're disheartened, but somewhat consoling yourself that that person is not near to you for some reason. So just keep loving that person if you want to. If you want to date someone else, it's fine. But I do feel that there is something left between you two, and things are not as they are appearing at front. It might appear that they have certain different priorities, but it is nothing like that. And you have to stay very positive for this 5 to 6 months. Maybe it is not happening like very soon. The success is not coming very soon, but things will turn around for you like a miracle. Like you're going to a publisher, 7-8 people are rejecting you in this 3 months, 4 months, 5 months, and then 5.5 months there is a call from a publisher of a very big house, and they are selecting your particular book. So that is the kind of miracle which is going to happen in your life. So you have to stay very positive. You have to not give up, because blessings are coming for you. Financial independence is coming for you. Love may be far, but they have not given up on you. And if you want, you should not give up on them. If you want, you can give up on them, because I'm seeing that a new energy is also working in your life. 6 months, no, I think so 8 months from now, a new energy is also coming. So you will have options. So it's all up to you. So overall messages you can take is that from 6 months from now, it's a trip, it's financial independence, you're happy, you have hello pile 2. So let us see what do I have for you 6 months from now. Let me arrange the cards. All right, so here we have okay, all right. So what I am seeing at the first sight of the cards which have been set forth for you, I am seeing that there is a lot of emotional energies and there is a lot of energies related to self-esteem and confidence. So 6 months from now, there is something going to happen in your life. Now this can be related to anyone, can be some important person in your life, can be a relationship, and this relationship can be any kind, can be romantic, can be with your parents, can be a friendship, can be any relationship. Something is going to happen in a relationship which is going to push you in a kind of dilemma. Now when I say dilemma, don't get all negative that something wrong is going to happen. No, I don't feel something wrong is going to happen. I feel something destined is going to happen. Like it is already pre-decided that this particular thing will happen, which will push you in a particular direction. So I will tell you this in a form of a story because I'm not getting very different messages. I'm getting only 2-3 messages for this pile, and it is going in form of a story. Okay, so what is going to happen is that these 4-5 months you are going to make a plan, and that plan has someone else involved in it. Now this plan can have again any kind of relationship involved in it, or it can be some idea that 6 months from now I will be at this particular office, at this particular place working, I will get that job. Or it is like 6 months from now we will reconcile, or 6 months from now I will take that particular trip with parents or shift to that particular house. Something is not going to happen the way you want it to happen, and this can be very disappointing, right? That you have an image in your mind and you're working towards it, and that thing is not going to happen. Not a big thing. You have to keep this in mind that it's not a big thing. It is like you have 100 things on your list, and out of that 5 things are not going to work out the way you want them to work out, and that is going to kind of push you in slight dilemma. You have to take this phase as very positive phase. Those 5 points, when they are not working, it will be slightly challenging for you, and it will make you take a different decision. Let us take this story as you wanted to reconcile with someone, that person will come back with you, but something in your mind will tell that no, I can't proceed with this relationship. This relationship is not suiting my vibration. Or maybe somebody back at your home has a bad health or falls sick, and you have been working at a particular place and you have to go back to that person because you have to take care of that person for 2-3 months. Or something very small like you were preparing for a particular interview and you didn't go to that place, couldn't go to that place, or you didn't get that particular job. So whatever is happening, it is happening for the best. It will seem at that moment for 4-5 days. Now you have to see that you will be at very high vibration at that particular point of time. 6 months from now you will be very balanced. You will be balanced in your energies, and you will be in tune with nature, in tune with your environment. You will be working on your things. You will be doing good in life. But certain few aspects will not work out in your favor, and that will make you sad for a while, will push you in dilemma, will make you think. And this thinking period will be slightly prolonged. It will not be like you will think for 1 day, 2 days, 3 days, and you will be like, okay, I'm done. I have a plan. I have another plan. I will work on that. No. You will take around 20 to 30 days in this particular phase, and it might seem at that time that, oh my god, I'm not working, oh my god, I'm not doing anything, oh my god, I have so many plans, what am I doing, why am I not shifting, why am I not taking any step? At that particular time, you have to calm yourself down. You have to sit and you have to tell yourself that, okay, things have not gone the way I wanted it to go, but I cannot sit, right? I cannot live the life like this. You know, you will be going in this cyclical thing. Like one time you're like, I'm not doing something, and one time like, I don't want to do something. I just want to lie on bed. I want to think on this problem. I want to think why things have not gone my way. And it will be a funny situation, and you will be like kind of doing this negative thinking. But the thing is that you will be hyping the situation. It will not be very big deal. You will easily come out of it. But do know, 20 to 30 days, some of you can take lesser time, but 20 to 30 days you will be going in a standstill. Now, very great people have said this, that some of you think that things are not moving when you're not working. Some of you think that when you're lying on your bed, things are not moving. Some of you think that when you are doing meditation and you're not moving a pen, you are not changes are not taking place in your environment, and something like that. When you people are going through a standstill phase in your life, a lot of us have this kind of thinking that we are not doing something constructive, we are wasting our time. But that is what you have to understand in this phase, is that you will not be wasting your time. You will be going through a reflection period, a prolonged reflection period, where you will be simply eating, simply doing that brainstorming thing, that what next? If this plan has failed, what next? What should I do? And you know, this particular period, no matter how people will tell you that what you are doing, what you have done, you have become a mess, just don't listen to them. It's important to be mess at some point in our life. You might also not wake up at scheduled time. You might sleep late, you might get up late, you might not eat properly, you might sometimes not take food. And it's not because you are sad, it's because you are thinking a lot. You're thinking like, what next, what should I do? If it is not working this way, how can I make it work in another way? So that brainstorming is not useless. That is going to push you exactly in the direction in which you have to move for your journey. I am saying that you people are on some kind of journey and you have no idea. Like, you have idea that we all are, this life is a journey, but you don't have an idea that where it is leading you. And it can be very frustrating at times, that not knowing where am I going. But such particular thing, like sometimes not having a plan, sometimes plans failing, can give you an idea, can give you a push, can just set you in the right direction, can lead you to the brightest spot, can make you take the risk which you have always wanted to take, but you did not have enough confidence to take it. So what I am saying is that a particular message for this pile is that a reflection period, a pause, where you will be taking a very drastic decision to leave something. Some of you will be like leaving a relationship. Most of you are leaving a relationship for time being, like you are taking a break from a relationship. Some of you are going to have a breakup. Some of you are realizing that that particular relationship is not suiting you, you need someone better. Or some of you are simply parting ways because you both have not achieved that similar frequency so that you both can be together. On the other hand, some of you are going to have something not work out because something else is waiting for you, something better is waiting for you, and something bigger is waiting for you. I'm saying bigger because at present, 6 months from now, you will have no idea like what bigger things are waiting for you. And I am really very sure that very good things are waiting for you. But when you will be in that phase, you might belittle yourself a little that things are not going the way I wanted. I was promised that things will get better now, but it didn't go. It will surprise you. But sometimes surprises are good. This particular thing will push you on a journey where you might find yourself alone. Alone but not lonely. There is a difference between being alone and lonely. And you will be like, okay, fine, that relation didn't work out, that job didn't work out, but I cannot sit like this. I have to go on. I have to do something about this particular situation. And after that brainstorming of 20 to 30 days, you will be like finally going to take that particular risk that you have always wanted to take in your life. And you will be very afraid, maybe you are going to apply for that big dream which you have always wanted to. Maybe you are going into a modeling career, maybe you are going for some photo shoot, maybe you are going for something which you always wanted, but you didn't have that self-esteem, self-confidence to go after it. But after that, after this particular situation unfolds, you will be taking that particular risk, you will be moving, you will be taking action on your dreams. And that particular time, after that 30 days, will be so fertile for you. Like whatever seed you plant, it will be giving you a wow result. The growth will be slow. You have to have the patience, perseverance, and the courage. And slowly you will be moving towards a dream which you have always wanted. And mark this, you will be walking on that particular journey alone, because whatever situation, whatever heartache you have suffered in life, that has disturbed your self-esteem, that has somehow given you a setback, and that setback has made you lose some kind of confidence in you. Or maybe people have told you in life that you deserve a lot, you can do a lot, but somewhere you have lost that faith. Now this particular phase will push you in the direction of achieving your dream in such a way that you will regain that self-confidence, that self-esteem, that self-love back in your life. And that is why it is very important that of course you will have friends, but you may not have someone in relationship. You may not be in relationship with someone. Even if you have someone in relationship, you will push that aside, you will not make it priority. You will make your self-love as priority. Most of you may be alone, and you will be going on a very different journey of finding yourself, of knowing of what you are capable of. You will be marking, like 6 months from now, marking the first day of your journey of knowing that who you are, of what you are capable of, that you have so much hidden inside you, that you have so much courage inside you, that you are here for a change. And you will be learning it 6 months from now. You will be finally discovering who you are. And that is very important, right? Relationships can come later in your life, but before falling in love with yourself is important. And this journey Journey is about knowing about yourself. 6 months from now, something drastic is going to happen in your life, which will be making you take certain drastic decisions to walk on the journey of finding yourself. There is so much self love, there is so much self confidence coming back to you 6 months from now. And mark my words, don't compare yourself. Whatever field you are opting, maybe it may seem like that there are people who are better than you. Of course, at every point of time, there will be people better than you. And it's nothing like you have to compare yourself. No, you don't have to. You have to just accept it. You have to keep your ego aside. If you can keep your ego aside 6 months from now and then start working, if you can stop your ego from telling you that you don't deserve it, that you're not capable of it, that others are better, if you keep doing all these things to yourself, things are not going to work for you. If you can sacrifice that particular thing and then you can work on yourself, you will see miracles happen for you. Now, why I am saying this is that most of you would have been good in your life, like you must have done good in your education, you must have been a brilliant student as well, but in some way you have not achieved what you have always wanted to achieve. Like you have this feeling deep inside, right, that I deserve this, like I should have at least had this much. Where are my blessings? What am I doing? Will this ever lead to where I want to be? And certain events in your life have not turned out the way you have always wanted them to be. Like you might have even left 2-3 careers in order to be where you are at present, and you are doing good at present, but you are not let's say you are not getting enough. Like you can do much more out of what you are doing. It's not like you will change your career or something. No, you might go on that particular, you might even go on that particular career only, or some of you might change it, and but you will be doing it in much better way with focus on only yourself. Your focus won't be divided. You won't have something else in your mind. You will have that, okay, fine, I have this goal, I have to work for it, I will give these many years and I will go for it. And whatever thing is happening that was somewhat kind of this particular thing which is being removed from your life, this particular thing which is feeling like it has failed, whatever it was stopping you from having the life you want. It was in some way hindering you from showing your full capability, from giving out your best. How it was stopping you, I don't know, but somehow it was not letting you go in your potential, to harness your potential. And that thing is going to happen 6 months from now. You will find yourself helpless, but that helplessness will push you towards what is your biggest dream, and you will realize that dream, and that is very big thing. Apart from that, I am also getting a message that some of you might feel in this phase that your relationship didn't work out and it will hurt you, but I am also getting a message that you are wrong. You are wrong about whatever is happening. Like, just say that whatever is happening is a kind of illusion which is being created in front of you, so that you walk on the path you are supposed to walk at that particular moment. Maybe some of you are separating, maybe some of you are finding someone else, or maybe you're feeling that you deserve better. Maybe some of you, in some cases, in very rare cases, someone is falling sick and you feel that you have lost a support. But this is all happening so that you work on yourself, so that you realize your potential, so that you know how strong you are, so that you know that you deserve something really beautiful. All you have to do in this phase is just tell your ego no. whenever it's trying to daunt you, tell it no. Tell that you deserve better. Tell that you can do it. And know that whenever you are on a self-love journey, you are never lonely. You will be becoming the best version of yourself after 6 months. After 6 months, you will be deciding to take all the focus from the world and put it in yourself. And when you put all the energy in yourself, you are going to do something great. I'm also seeing that this period will return you. 6 months from now, you will be walking on a journey which will return you the things you have lost, be it any form. It can come back in any form, but there are sacrifices which you have made. Something big you have sacrificed in your life, and it's time that it gets returned back to you. But you see, nature doesn't work like that if you lost something, you just get it back. No. You even get it back after a journey. Like you go on a healing journey, then you invest in yourself, and that is when things are returned to you. And you have to put in effort for things to get returned. It's not like some miracle will happen and things will get returned to you. But things will get returned to you. You might get a new relationship, which will be much better than what you were having before. You will know how capable you are, or you will reconcile with the person at the time when you both have the same frequency. So just know, 6 months from now, there is going to be a big divine illusion going to be created in front of you, which will push you exactly in the direction in which you are supposed to go. It will help you take the risk which you have always wanted to take in the life. And all you have to keep in mind is say no to your ego. Don't compare yourself, and just know that whatever you are doing, you are going to be loved by people. You know, we have this fear inside that nobody will love us, nobody will look at us, etc. But know that there are billions of people in this world, and you will have your own tribe. Whatever you are doing, people are going to love you for that. People are going to like whatever you're doing. People are going to learn from what you're doing. People are going to appreciate your confidence. People are going to just admire who you are. So you have to just be positive while all these things are happening. What you have to do in this space is that you have to meditate a lot. You have to meditate a lot because it will, the more you are in tune with your higher self, the lesser lost you will feel. You know, when we are in the journey of self-discovery, we get frustrated a lot because we feel that things are not working out, and this particular reader said that things will go this way and that way, and deep inside you know you deserve better, but you're not getting the result as the way you wanted it to get. So meditate a lot to keep these frustration out of your sight. Okay. Then what you have to do is that remember that you are destined for great things, and these all changes are happening because you will not embark on that journey of great things until unless you are given that drastic push from your universe. So whatever is going to happen, take it as a positive change, a drastic push which is much needed in order to push you to take that particular risk. And know that whatever you're going to do is going to change life of a lot of people. It is going to affect a life of a lot of people. So just trust yourself and just work on it. Choose yourself. For once, choose yourself, and everything will be fine for you. And yes, if you are feeling that love is not working out in your favor, you are wrong. Just tell yourself you are thinking in a wrong manner. You are going to have like really great. Hello, pile number 3. How are you people? I'm hoping that you are fine, and let me arrange your cards and then we will see what messages I have for you. So while I'm arranging these cards, I'm getting this feeling that 6 months from now you are at a happy place. You're very satisfied deep inside. There is abundance around you. there is happiness around you, you are seeing good things, you are seeing positivity everywhere, you are seeing light in your shadows, you know how to convert your negatives into positives. There is total harmony around you. You are happy, you are doing okay, you are okay with whatever is going on in your life. So the very first message I am getting is that people, those who have chosen this pile, have gone through a lot in their life. They've gone through so much that they are like, okay, come on, stop it now, I cannot take it anymore, and they have just surrendered. And within this period of 5-6 months, which I am seeing from now till the time I am seeing that you will be going through a major shift, a major transformation. A major transformation which may have been triggered due to end of a relationship. This particular relationship seems to be a very important relationship for you, and you are very confused, like I loved this person so much, why it had to end this way, and that person doesn't love me, etc. You have so many doubts in your mind. So that particular doubt, that particular sadness, all that disappointment and earlier disappointments of your life have just pushed you to this downfall, okay, where you are in deep thinking that why all these things are happening. You are questioning that why did you even enter that relationship, why it felt so magical. But this all is happening for a reason, and this is happening because the person with whom you have ended a relationship cannot go with you further. Further, when I say further, I mean that they cannot go further for time being. It is not that you will not find way back to each other in future. Of course you will. You will find your way back to each other when you both are ready for each other. For now, something else needs to be addressed in your life, and that is why you are being called towards that particular thing. So what is that thing that you have to address in this phase? I feel that the people, those who have chosen this pile, have a kind of a blessing with them. They have a gift. Now that gift can be anything. You can be a really good artist, a musician, you can be a painter, you can be a graphic artist, you can be a dancer, like anything. You can be a writer, just something which is a gift, that you have been good at this particular thing right from your birth, and you have always been diverted towards it, like you have to study but you want to do that particular thing, like this thing just takes away all your attention and you want to do it again and again and again, and you enjoy doing it. So that particular gift is something which I am thinking is something which you should pursue. It's not like that leave your career or don't do what you are doing at present and do what is your passion, do what is your hobby, what is your gift. I'm just saying that you have to manage either both of it, or some of you are choosing to embrace that particular talent only from now onwards. That particular gift needs to come out, and that needs to come out because people need you. See why people are blessed like this, because art is also necessary, right? Gifts are necessary so that you can inspire other people, so that you can provide some kind of healing to other people, so that you can provide some kind of entertainment to other people. These all things are very important. These all things are important for making people happy, for raising their vibration, and you have been chosen for this purpose. You have this gift right from your birth. It's not like you have just got it right now. No, you have it from birth, and it's time that you embrace it. So that is why this particular relationship needed to end. And now you may be having a lot of complaints. You may be thinking that that person was bad, they didn't treat you right, or etc., or that you have to be alone. And it's like that. It's not necessary that you have to have had a romantic ending. It can also be ending like you just left a job. It can also be ending like that you lost a support in your life or something like that, or you got divorced or something. So right now you're entering in a phase in your life where all these things cannot go. You have to walk on this journey alone, And that is why these all things are being pushed aside by the universe, so that you first entertain what is inside you, that you first embrace what is inside you, that you first accept yourself, that you first understand who you are. So 4 to 5 months right from this present, you will be working on that particular gift. You will be maybe some of you are already pursuing that thing, but you are going to concentrate on your career in this 4 to 5 months, and you will be getting answers to your questions. Like, you have had a lot of disappointments in life, so somehow in this alone time, you will be getting answers through universe, through sources, through healers, through many other things. If you notice the angel signs, etc., you will be getting answers of why you went through certain things in your life. Like if somebody has not treated you right in your life, if you have gone through scenes of bullying in your life, then you will understand that what that particular scene was teaching you, and why that person came into your life, what it was inculcating you, etc. So this period is about knowing yourself, knowing why you went through certain things, and understanding that whatever relationship you were in, or whatever relationship has just seen an end, it's not going to be in vain. Like, love is not going to be in any vain. You're going to go through tremendous healing. You're going to understand things in different perspective. You're going to see society in different manner. You're going to see everything in different light. You are going to become a totally different person, and that is what I call a shift in consciousness. You will be seeing things totally in a different manner, in a positive light, and you will be experiencing a phase of life which you haven't before. It will be peaceful. All the problems which you had will be subsided. What I am seeing is that the relationship which has ended, the person, somehow you would have felt that the person has not done right to you, or you have to go through all these healing alone and nobody is by your side. But this is important. You see, there is nobody around us when we have to go through our own healing, because we can manage ourselves the best. At that point, there may be support from friends and other people, but you have to handle your own mess on your own. So you don't complain, okay? Just be okay with yourself. Try to understand yourself, and know that when you are asking universe that why I went this, why I went that, and then you go for meditation, or you go for just a walk, you will get answers. You will get answers that why you went through that particular thing. It is a phase of learning which is coming for you. After this 4-5 months of learning, you will be just very thorough with your gift, and you will be sharing it with the world. And now when you are sharing it with the world, these gifts can be anything. You can also be a teacher, right? So when you are sharing with the world, you will see that it will be appreciated. It will be appreciated way too much, and you will be getting a lot of compensation for it. You will be earning through it. Some of you in this pile are also going to have a kind of limelight. You are going to be famous. So whatever this particular relationship was, you have to understand that they were there for your awakening. It's not like the first awakening. Maybe you are having a different awakening. We are going through awakening all our life, okay? We are not completely known. We keep learning, okay? So this particular relationship was for your awakening, and there are universal forces which are assisting you in becoming more and more aware, so that you can make your gift strong, and the stronger your gift turns, the better for the people you are trying to convey that particular gift. So you will be getting confidence to work on that particular talent which you have had all your life. 6 months from now, you will be very busy, you will be occupied, you will be realizing that nothing you went in your life was without the reason. Everything was pre-planned, it was destined, and you were supposed to come this far in order to share what you have inside. You can also be a motivational speaker. See, sometimes you have to go through a lot of wrongs so that you can understand that pain, and that is when that willingness comes from inside, that I want to help people. Without knowing what is wrong, what is right, without feeling the pain, you will never feel it inside, that I have to serve the nation, I have to serve the world, etc. That things comes after seeing certain things. There needs to be something really strong go wrong, so that it can have an impact on us. So what I am saying is that another message which I am getting is that you have to stop complaining about the relationship which has ended. I am seeing that both of you have fair chance that in future, I don't know when in future, but in future you both have high chance to come back in relationship, or you may decide to stay friends. So instead of complaining, instead of thinking that it went in vain or everything in your life is vain, try to understand, try to ask yourself that why you are going through that particular thing, what is trying to teach you. Also, that I am also getting another message over here is that when you will be doing good in your life 6 months from now, when you will be seeing positivity, when you will be at high vibration, when you will be okay with your life and you will be happy, I think so that this particular person will somehow connect with you, and it will be a short reconciliation. A short reconciliation, because when this person will come to you, it will seem like, okay, fine, things are getting good for you, right? You both are reconciling, you both will be together again, etc. But that reconciliation will not be a permanent one. For some of you, it will be permanent if you both are able to achieve the same frequency at that time. But for most of you, it won't be permanent. It will be like they will come, it will seem like heaven, but that particular reconciliation will show you only that you have changed a lot, and you are slightly ahead in your journey. If you both are at the same frequency at that time, you will reconcile and you will stay in relationship. But if you are not at the same frequency at that time, I am seeing that your whatever learning you are having right now, whatever you think that you are becoming, that will be tested in front of a person whom you love a lot. You see, when you love a person a lot, you are ready to compromise your integrity when they come in front of you in order to have that relationship. So basically, it will be a test that are you going to compromise who you are in order to be with the person you love, who is not actually at the same frequency which you are. And I think so you might leave them behind and be okay with working on yourself. So that will be a short reconciliation. So what I am seeing for this file as conclusion is that you will be working on your gift, you will be sharing your gift, and you will be making world a better place. You will be getting compensation for that, you will be earning through it, you will be very happy, you will be in positivity, you will have a short reconciliation which will help you decide that where you have to take that relationship which you were having in past. And money is coming for you, so be ready for that. You are going to earn from the purpose you were supposed to, and that is a very good thing. And your awareness is changing, your consciousness is changing, which is another gift. When you can see world in positive light, it's a very beautiful gift. So that's all.